Welcome to Teach Together Try with Mr. Burns. We're going to do some problem solving and we're going to learn how to draw a picture to help us solve problems. Right, let's have a go, shall we? Here we go. Here is our first question, and if you can answer this correctly, that's fine. You don't need to watch this video. But if you don't answer it correctly, then I strongly suggest you do watch the rest of this video. So, have a go. Pause me and just have a go at answering the question. Sure. Okay. Okay, I hope that you are back, and I hope that you paused me, and I hope you had a go at answering the video, and the answer is... Okay, the answer is, I hope that you paused me. You better pause me if you didn't, okay, because I do want you to work it out. Alright, the answer is actually 48. 48 posts. Now, if you got that, great, well done. You obviously know how to do this sort of question. If you didn't get it, I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can learn how to draw a picture to help you solve problems. And even if you did get it, you might want to watch how I did it just to check you're getting it right. Okay, guys, let's have a look. Okay, I'll just get rid of my little box that I drew here, because I actually drew it out. I drew a picture to help me solve this little problem. And you can see I literally drew the rectangular garden with single dots. Okay, so I made sure that there was 16 posts on this side, and I made sure there was 10 posts on that side, and I made sure that there was 10 posts on this side, and I made sure that there was 16 posts on that side. But of course, I know a few of you did. I bet a few of you just went 10 plus 10, which equals 20, and then did 16 and 16, which equals 32. And I bet you've just gone, oh, the answer's 52. And it's not. It's not 52. And when you draw it out, you can see why. Because, sure, there is 10 posts down here. Okay, great. But this post here, this one, is actually also part of the 16 posts that run along here. And this post here, sure, that's part of the 16, but that's actually part of the 10 posts that come along there. Okay, I hope you're understanding that. So that's why you can't just go 10 plus 10 plus 16 plus 16 and get the answer. You've got to count each individual post. Now, I'm not clever enough to work out a formula. There's probably a formula. But I just drew it out. I just drew a picture, and then I counted it. And look, I'll show you here. This is how I did it. I drew it out. So there was 16 going down here, 10 up here, 16 down there, 10 along the bottom, and then I counted them. Right? It was long. It took a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that's enough. You can pause and count them up if you want. You will see there are 48 posts. There's 10 up the top, 10 down the bottom, 16 on each side, and together, because these corners are shared, okay, together there is 48 posts. I'm going to give you a sum now, or not a sum, a problem, and I want you to have a go. Here it is, and I want you to draw a picture to work it out. I'll read it out for you. In the kangaroo jumping competition, kangaroos were judged on the total distance jumped after 5 consecutive, that means in a row, okay, jumps. Myru, Skippy, jumped 48 metres with his first jump. Wow, good on you, Skippy. Okay, but every subsequent, like next jump, was half the distance of the last jump. So that time, every time he jumps after 48, it's half his previous jump. Bouncer, it's a new kangaroo here. Bouncer, last year's winner, who I'm trying to beat, jumped a total of 91 metres. So that was the total for all his jumps, right? They all added up to 91. Which kangaroo's jumps were the longest? Was it Skippy, or was it Bouncer? So you're going to have to draw it out. Draw it out. You've got to draw out Skippy's jumps. And remember, they get half shorter each time. And see whether Skippy's jumps equal 91 metres or not. If they do, then you know they've drawn. If Skippy's jumps beat him, then they've won. Okay, guys, draw it out. Pause me. Pause me. Okay, I hope you paused me because we're back and we're going to do it. We're going to do the sum. Okay, so we know that bouncer here is a 91 meters. Okay, great. And we know that Skippy jumped 48. Well, let's do this basic. Let's put Skippy down here. Skip. There's Skip. I'm drawing a picture. There's my little kangaroo. It's not a great picture of a kangaroo. In fact, it's a terrible picture of a kangaroo. Worst one. There's his little pouch. There's his ears. There's his little Joey coming out of there. Okay. There's the legs. Okay, there you go. There's the kangaroo. Skippy's a lady. I didn't tell you that. Okay, so let's have a go now. Skippy jumps 48 meters with the first jump. So we're drawing it. So 48. There you go. 48. That's jump number 1, isn't it? Okay. And jump number 2, it's half that distance, isn't it? So here's number 2. What's half of 48? That's 24. Okay. Here comes jump number 3 for Skippy. Half of 24 is 12. Okay. And here comes jump number 4 for Skippy. Half of 12 is 6. Right. Getting tighter. And here comes jump number 5 for Skippy. Half of 6 is, of course, 3. So then you've just got to add up all these to see Skippy's total level of total distance of jumping, and we can do that. You can sort that out. The answer, of course, is the answer, of course, is 93. And that's 93 meters, isn't it? So, yeah, looks like Skippy, congratulations Skippy, beat good old Bouncer, who only got 91. So I hope that you got that answer, team. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. Thank you for learning about the draw a picture strategy.